How to change phone number in Zillow. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change phone number on Zillow. In order to change your phone number or contact info in Zillow, you will need to first open a web browser of your choice on your device. Now, in the search bar here, type in zillow.com. Once after entering the keyword, press on the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Zillow. Once you reach the official website, here you will need to ensure that you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, now hover your cursor over this agent hub and then a pop-up will appear. Now here you will need to simply click on this profile option. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the profile page. In this profile page, just at the right side of it, you will be able to see edit button. Simply click on it and then from the pop-up, here you will need to select the profile option. By doing so, now you will be able to edit your profile details. Simply scroll a bit down until you locate this contact info option. At the bottom, you will be able to see your primary phone number. Now in order to change it, you will need to click on edit contact info option at the right side. Once doing that, now you will be able to edit your phone number. Simply click on this primary phone text box and then there enter your new phone number. Once after entering your new phone number, click on the save button in this pop-up. And after a few seconds, you will see you have successfully changed your phone number in Zillow. You will be able to see your new phone number in this field now. So this is how you can change phone number in Zillow. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.